Learn English to Gujarati feelings. Fear to.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Welcome to the emotional roller coaster. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through feelings, moods, and a little drama. Do not worry, this ride has seatbelts made of vocabulary. Today you will meet 8 useful words in Gujarati. First comes fear.
भय.
Then worry.
चिंता.
Then doubt.
शंका.
After that, the clouds open and we get hope.
आशा.
Optimism.
आशावाद.
Readiness.
तैयारी.
Determination.
निश्चय.
And finally serenity.
शांतिपूर्णता.
If that sounds like the plot of your last Monday, perfect. You are ready. A very dramatic morning. Let us throw all the words into one ridiculous story so your brain can grab them fast. Picture this scene like a mini comedy movie. You wake up late. Your alarm did ring, but apparently it was emotionally unavailable. First you feel
भय.
because you think, I am doomed. Then comes
चिंता.
because your phone battery is at 1%, your sock has vanished, and your toast looks judgmental. At the door you stop with
शंका.
did you lock the house, bring your keys, and remember your dignity? But then a tiny heroic voice says,
आशा.
maybe the day can still go well. You stand taller with
आशावाद.
maybe the bus will come on time. Maybe the universe will apologize. You check your bag. Good. Water bottle, notebook, snack, and emergency biscuit. That is
तैयारी.
Then you march forward with
निश्चय.
the powerful feeling of, I will survive this Tuesday. And after all that, when you finally sit down and take one deep breath, you discover.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Also, you find the missing sock in your pocket. A miracle. Word workout. Now let us slow down and train each word clearly. Repeat them out loud like a confident actor in a language drama. Fear is.
भय.
Say it.
भय.
Example. I felt.
भय.
Before the storm started. Worry is.
चिंता.
Say it.
चिंता.
Example. Worry can keep you awake at night, so yes.
चिंता.
Is the annoying roommate of the mind. Doubt is.
शंका.
Say it.
शंका.
Example. I have.
शंका.
About the result. Hope is.
आशा.
Say it.
आशा.
Example. There is still.
आशा.
Short, beautiful, and useful when life looks like a badly assembled shelf. Optimism is.
आशावाद.
Say it.
आशावाद.
Example.
आशावाद.
Can make difficult days easier. Readiness is.
तैयारी.
Say it.
तैयारी.
Example. Mental.
तैयारी.
Is important before an exam. Determination is.
निश्चय.
Say it.
निश्चय.
Example. With.
निश्चय.
He solved the problem. Serenity is.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Say it.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Example. She practiced breathing to find.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Tiny dialogue, big feelings. Here comes a short conversation. Listen for the emotional upgrades from panic to peace. A. Why are you shaking? B. Because I feel.
भय.
A. Why do you look nervous? B. I have.
चिंता.
About the result. A. Are you sure? B. No, I have.
शंका.
A. Do you think things will improve? B. Yes, I still have.
आशा.
A. I think tomorrow will be better. B. That is.
आशावाद.
A. Are you ready? B. Yes, my.
तैयारी.
Is complete. A. Why did you keep going? B. Because of.
निश्चय.
A. I need peace. B. Try to find.
शांतिपूर्णता.
In the quiet morning. Memory tricks that are slightly silly. Your brain loves weird images, so let us give it some. The stranger the picture, the better the memory. Imagine a giant shadow at your front door whispering.
bhay.
That is fear. Now picture a chicken wearing glasses, reading bills, and muttering.
चिंता.
That is worry. Very responsible chicken. See a detective staring suspiciously at a sandwich and declaring.
शंका.
That is doubt. Never trust a dramatic sandwich. Picture a candle glowing in the dark with the word.
आशा.
That is hope. Now imagine a broken umbrella smiling and saying.
आशावाद.
Because surely the sun is coming. That is optimism with questionable evidence. See a student with a packed bag, neat notes, and 3 backup pens labeled.
तैयारी.
That is readiness. Picture a climber shouting.
निश्चय.
While pulling themselves up a mountain. That is determination. Finally, imagine a still blue lake under sunrise, with.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Floating above the water. That is serenity. Quick quiz, no flying tomatoes. Time for a friendly challenge. Answer in your head, or out loud if you enjoy confusing nearby people. What is the Gujarati word for fear?
bhay.
What is the Gujarati word for worry?
चिंता.
What is the Gujarati word for doubt?
शंका.
What is the Gujarati word for hope?
आशा.
What is the Gujarati word for optimism?
आशावाद.
What is the Gujarati word for readiness?
तैयारी.
What is the Gujarati word for determination?
निश्चय.
What is the Gujarati word for serenity?
शांतिपूर्णता.
Your mini challenge today. Let us make the words useful right away. You do not need perfection, just courage and maybe a sense of humor. Try this emotional ladder in English while saying the Gujarati keyword each time. I feel.
भय.
But not too much.
चिंता.
I still have some.
शंका.
But also.
आशा.
With.
आशावाद.
Good.
तैयारी.
And strong.
निश्चय.
I can reach.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Quote. Congratulations, you just turned vocabulary into a personal pep talk. Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Yes, even if you pronounced one word like a sleepy robot, you still did great. Thank you for learning with me. Review these words again soon.
भय. चिंता. शंका. आशा. आशावाद. तैयारी. निश्चय.
And.
शांतिपूर्णता.
Keep practicing your Gujarati, keep speaking out loud, and keep going one word at a time. You have this.